Hi everyone, my name is Rishabh. Today is the 9th of February 2025 and I'll be going over my weekly option chain analysis for the S&P 500 for the upcoming expiry on the 14th. Now just keep in mind from now onwards I'll be making these videos bi-weekly, so these are all values from 2 weeks ago. The max OI level decreased for both, that's negative. Quantity is high for PE, that's negative. Change is higher for CE, that's negative. Short squeeze is higher for PE, that's negative, and the PCR is extremely overbought, that's negative. Implied volatility is higher, that's negative. Historical volatility is lower, that's positive. RSI is lower, that's negative. There is a divergence, that's negative. The MACD is negative, that's also a negative. The ADX is lower, that's negative. ATR is higher, that's negative. Both EMAs are higher, that's two positives. VWAP is lower, that's negative. Pivot point is higher, that's a positive. Let me change that. And the candlestick is neutral. The current support is 6,000. The previous week's, 2 weeks ago's previous support was, let me actually just change that so that's not confusing. The previous support was 6,100. The new resistance is 6,050. The previous resistance was 6,150. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching. Enjoy, and I will see you in the next video.